Hello, and thank you for joining me. I'm Alethea, and this is Sail on Sewing. Today, here is the pattern we're using. McCall's 2099, the oversized sweat shirt. I'm using with it, and I want to take this time to thank all of my new subscribers and those who have been running with me. We're doing it, guys. I appreciate you all. Thank you for coming. This is the thermal fabric that I was talking about. And for the neck area, I'm using white rib sleeve. In the bottom portion, this sweatshirt has pockets. Everyone loves pockets. Thanks for coming. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. An old blast from the past. I have never made this pattern before, but it's McCall's 2099. Here are your pieces. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. And I prepped my fabric and cut out my pattern. And this is the fabric I'm using. It's an oversized t-shirt, so let's get into it. So here's the back panel of the pattern. Here you'll suggested fabrics contrasting the top and pants. I'm interested in sewing the pants, and you even had a picnic rule. This pattern is old. I was looking back into my stash, and there it was. And this pattern also has pockets. So the instruction guide shows you how to sew with the serger. This pattern came out when the sergers came out, I do believe, and it tells you how to sew with the serger and focusing on the overlock sewing. So it also includes sewing with your conventional sewing machine. I thought it was nice. So it only has 4 steps to it, as you can see, and I have this fabric for the body, and I have white rib knit coming, as well as for my buttons and for my other project. But let's start sewing using the serger. Okay, the pattern was actually copyrighted in 1985. I don't know if that's the beginning, but it is a pattern that's called Focus on the Serger. And it's the gap, Learn to Sew for, and it's called the gap, Learn to Sew for Fun. It's just a pattern. I was cleaning and looking through my stash and putting my patterns in some type of order, and this is what I thought. So that would be nice, because patterns doesn't really change. I have a lot of patterns, different years of purchase, but they're pretty much the same. Now this is cool right here. This has a pocket. This is an oversized t-shirt, and the band for the bottom and the top and the neck are gonna be made out of rib knit, and they're coming soon and to be delivered to my home. So I got them on order, and they're coming. I think it'll be a nice, comfortable, easy, cozy, and a fun project to make, especially for the beginners or anybody, because I know it's gonna be a easy wear. And like I said, this is the fabric that I got, and I got it from fabricmark.com, and I'll put up the name of it. It's a waffle knit fabric. Let's go, guys. So first we are going to do the shoulder seams. Instructions call for the shoulder seams to connect to the front and back at the shoulder seams. And this R right here is going to give me a 5/8 of an inch seam, hopefully. Let's go. Okay, so the sleeves have been serged on. This is how it's looking from the outside, and this is the front of the garment, and this is how it's looking from the inside. Serge sleeves. The pockets also has been serged on either side of the garment, front and back, and this is how it's looking from the inside of your garment. Let's move further. So now, the instructions are telling us to use a conventional machine tool. Start from here, go around your pocket, up and around and down the sleeve. I'm still gonna try to serge it, and we'll see what happens. Wish me luck.